You can add a rubric to a Canvas quiz. However, the quiz will still be auto-graded with the point values. The rubric would be in addition. So let's take a look at this. I'm in my quiz settings, and this is a new quiz, and I can tell because it has this build button here. And I scroll down, and there's this plus rubric button. So when you click it open, you have the option to create a rubric. Right here, you can fill in the criteria, the ratings, your points. You can decide about your options at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and use an existing rubric. And you'll see that I have access to all my rubrics from all my courses here. And I am going to do this assignment rubric for this particular activity. And I'm going to go down here and click Use this rubric. So now a rubric I already had existing is going to be attached. Now I didn't check any of those boxes, so it's showing points. But let's try that again and see what it looks like when we check the box at the bottom that says, I'll write freeform comments and remove points. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. Remove points. The main goal is to remove the points. So let's see here. Find a rubric. I'm going to use that same one, assignment rubric, so we can see the difference. So now you can see there are no points, and I would just be rating it in these areas. And let's see what it looks like. Now, if we choose the other option, that is to write freeform comments and remove points. Okay, so let's take a look at that one, and these will be your 3 comparisons for adding a rubric to a Canvas quiz. So in this case, here's my quiz or my rubric, and I click the pencil to edit, and I'm going to come down here and say I'll write freeform comments, and here we go, and remove points. Okay, so then it would look like this, where this is an adult rubric, but you would have your criteria, and then you would be able to put your information on the right side. Now you could also use this as an outcomes-based rubric if you had outcomes imported or added into your particular course, and then you would be able to look at the quiz score against the learning outcomes and give your students a rating. But mainly, you might just want to type those in. So this is what it looks like when you have a quiz with a rubric attached.